Alright, yo, let me butt in a little bit, do some narration. Right now, we were on the back roads, did coming skyway so the mic can get a little bit used to some twists and turns. It's not a big deal. Coming skyway is kind of like the freeway, to keep it honest. I'm telling him to come on up because I wanted him to ride closer to me. And the only reason we even went on the little back road hike was because Mike got all of his gear. So the fact that he had all of his gear, I felt that he was safe. I know the bike would be safe. So we head down into Alhambra Valley. There's a nice little Monday ride. I'm telling him to slow down. We had already stopped before this, and I told him, like, ride your pace. Don't worry about nothing. But we're only going like 40 miles an hour. So it wasn't too fast. This road isn't too technical or complicated, and especially the entry of it where we're at right here. So, I mean, I keep looking in the rear view. I'm leading him through. It's no big deal. I haven't been in this back road for like 15 years. So I was wanting to see like what the condition of it was, gravel condition, surface condition, shit like that. So as I'm coming through, I really look in the rear view and I'm like, where is this nigga at? And I don't see Cuz, but I didn't really think a big deal of it, but here's what Cuz was. So I'm just like, yo, we weren't going fast. There's absolutely no way that he lost me. So immediately, I'm turning around because as your veteran rider, as a leader of the little group that you're in, at any time, if you notice you're a rider down, you go back instantly. Because if the worst case scenario does happen, the quicker you get to them, the quicker that they get relief or they get help. So I'm immediately turning around and I'm running back. And I'm looking for him, right? Because I need to know what happened and I need to know what the fuck went on with how we get separated. And I don't see him at all on the right side of the road. But check this shit out right here on the left side of the road. That's Mike right there. So I pass by him and I don't see nothing. I'm like, yo, what the fuck? Where Cuz at, right? So now things are going through my head. Did this nigga fall? Holy shit. How do I explain that we weren't doing nothing? How do I explain to his girl what happened? His mom's what happened? My OGs what happened? Because we all are watching Mike's riding closely, and I'm trying to get him prepped and ready to roll with our pack, but this just wasn't right. I was thinking to myself, this ain't right. I don't see nothing. I don't see Cuz nowhere. I don't see a sign of anything, you know what I mean? So I'm like, well, maybe a fuel light came on and he decided to turn back and go get some gas, and he ain't hit me yet. But just the shit was baffling. It wasn't making any sense. So I'm just riding through here and I'm keeping an eagle eye and vigilance on everything. I'm looking at side markers, road debris, anything that resembles something. I didn't see anything. So I just went all the way back to the beginning of the trail that we had just entered as it is. And I was just like, well, I'm going to go all the way back and trace my steps and see what the hell happened. As soon as I get to the beginning, my phone rings.
Where you at? Wait, hold on, where you at? Hold on, I'm coming back.
Now, I know it doesn't sound like it in my voice or anything like that. I'm going to put subtitles under here as to what I was actually saying. But hella concerned because I don't know what his condition is. He's not coming through clear on my headset. So I'm just trying to get to him where he says he's at and then figure this whole situation out. Now I'm telling him, listen from my bike, but then I remember the exhaust is kind of stock. So what I started doing was riding through, looking for him and honking my horn. So I'm just telling him, listen for me, do you hear my horn? And that's what I'm doing right here. This is the exact left-hand corner that Mike went off in. You can see the bike is not that big of a deal. He just got distracted, but this is where he sees me. He tells me he's off the road, and I'm looking to the left. He's like, nah, you just passed me. I'm on the right side of the road.
Yeah, where did you
Super
go off
fucking
at?
confused because I turned was so straight. I was like, no way. So I'm looking to the right still because I'm thinking he's just confused. So I pulled over right here.
Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck are you doing up there? Are you okay? Are you okay though? Yo, hold on. Let me get my bike on solid ground.
So as you hear me say, let me get my bike on solid ground, I just noticed that that gravel was soft and I couldn't put my kickstand down. My bike would have fell over. Mike is absolutely up in the bush. Now from eye level, if you look over, Michael's up about 4 feet up a hill.
But you are okay though, right?
Asked if he was okay again because there was hella twigs and branches that I made sure he wasn't stuck in the face with.
Hey, this nigga went straight. Yo!
Before the situation even gets apparent as to what the condition of the bike is, I'm just happy that he's all right. I can visibly see that he's okay and he's just up in a bush. So you can hear the excitement in my voice that I don't have to report no bad news.
I can't see neutral. Oh, rocket.
Here, I got you.
Is it?
Nah, whatever. You got the clutch in.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why your speedo stopped working.
Oh, it popped out?
Yeah, no big deal. We're good. Let's get you out this bush before rollers come.
All right.
Hold on. We're just gonna lift it and pull it over sideways.
Ready?
Yeah, let's do it. All right, hold on one more. Oh, I got sticker bush. You good. You can just roll straight back.
Ready?
Nigga need a... Hold on, turn your handlebars left. Turn left. Yeah. Niggas need a machete. We need to start riding with Jamaicans fucking with Mike. This nigga blazing a trail that ain't been gone before. All right, hold on. Let me move this out the way. Ah, shit.
Damn, yo.
No, I would rather you do this than fall, blood.
Oh, yeah, I was like, not going down.
Please tell me you had your camera on.
I did have the camera on.
My nigga went in the bush.
Push, nigga, push.
Here, let's go.
Ready?
Oh! Oh, I was like, blood, we weren't even going fast. Please don't tell me this nigga understeered. I thought you went that way. Hey, this is the area we used to race in. My boy and Chad went off of a road, hit a tree, backflipped. It's like a 20-foot gorge. Oh! Woo!
Nah, when I started understeering, I was like, oh fuck, I'm not gonna make it. And I was like, well, instead of hitting the trees, I'm like, I'm gonna run up the fucking hill.
No, that was great. You chose a soft spot to land. Always choose a soft spot to land. But now here's the thing.
I was aiming for this.
No, because look what you would have went through.
4-row barbed
didn't
wire
see that.
fence.
Exactly. So I'm so glad you went right here. So look, your eyes will move your body and you don't know it. Even if you get scared, this is the road, don't look that way. Because what happened, how mild this turn is, you were unsure of the lean and you looked at an exit before you looked at achieving. You see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So your eyes are the biggest key proponent of making the bike go around the corner. Look in the turn always. Woo!
Hey, The bike is still good.
No, you're fine, dude. This is best case scenario for your first fantastic voyage. Golly, Mike, you're scaring the shit out of me, bro. Oh, you just pulled your headlights out.
Huh?
You just pulled your headlights out.
Where?
The low beam and a high beam and window beam. Well, we'll get through here.
Hey, make sure this motherfucker start up still.
No, you're fine. Bikes are fine, blood. Bikes are perfectly fine. You didn't tip over. Remember I told you if it ever tips over, you got the kickstand down. You're panicking. Yeah, relax, relax. You're fine. Motorcycles will always start back up as long as you didn't explode the motor and the casing.
The shifter. It's bent.
That's okay. Yeah, don't force, don't jam it.
I'm trying to get it in neutral.
Here, let me see the bike.
See, it's skipping it.
No, that's fine. Let me see the bike. Woo, my nigga Mike.
You see it? You feel it? It's pushed against the rod. We bend it back some. It's touching the rod.
Extravagant plastics yet, and you still haven't failed, so don't worry about it. It's gonna happen again, but just relax. Don't make those mistakes again. Look yourself all the way through. Don't look and say, oh, it don't feel right. Where am I gonna go? Because you're gonna go there now.
I'm just so excited we don't have to make arrangements for him to get home. Everything's fine. Everything looks good. So we
We're
about
gonna
to
go
proceed
through
to
the
these
San
back
Pablo.
roads.
I'm gonna go slow. Just stay there. Don't get no gap. Don't try to accelerate to catch me. Alright?
Gotcha.
Alright.
So I'm hyped. We're gonna proceed on, and I had no clue what we were about to come against next. And fortunately and unfortunately, my helmet cam didn't pick this up.
What?
We saw something crazy.
Yeah, we'll fix it. You're fine. Just stay time.
As we finish our little tour through the back road, coming up on San Pablo Dam Road, we come down this road right here, and I'm always scanning, and I happen to see a body laying on the side of the road. It looked like a cyclist that was in a grave injury, a fatal injury. We made sure 911 was called. We tried to make provisions proper for him. Somebody's getting him CPR, but ultimately we decided to leave. We cleared the scene so that EMS can come and help him immediately, because everybody was just standing around like some fuckheads and had the whole road blocked. That was all that we could do, so we just got out the way and got lost. So that ended our day.
That was
And I was
wild.
just over. I had to get to the crib. So this just be a precautionary tale to everybody, man. Chill out, be safe, have fun, but be aware and just make it home, yo. Because coronavirus ain't the only thing that's killing niggas out here, you heard?